one of the most important ideas when we dance rumba or cha-cha is to get your body from the very high muscular position where we picked up to the bone position where we settle really, really deep. So this is a muscles. Then imagining here we have a nail going through the shoulder, through the side, into the hip, into the heel. So direction of your dance should be this little dot on your heel, middle of your heel, where you feel the pressure coming from very high, from shoulder to the middle, through the hip, through the leg, into the heel. And as you're going into bone, that's the very moment where you push off from the foot. So direction, if we want to move forward, is down, then forward. And you will feel like your leg will start arching in a way, making a very beautiful arch. And then you take off to the next step. And then you take off to the next step. So go through your steps and make sure you're always going from muscle to bone. So if you have a rumba, for example, you have a quick, slow timing. So obviously some steps will be deeper, some less deep, but your intention to go as deep as you can. So you're going and two, high on muscles, and 3, and 4, and 1, and. So our intention go as deep as we can, so the movement doesn't look flat and drifting around. So we can practice small basics like a time step, which is very helpful step. As we going from muscle to bone, there will be a moment when you feel that pressure to your own heel pressing towards the floor like a nail from shoulder through the side, through the leg, into the heel. And from that moment, that will be a very good moment to start stepping side. And the same here as we collect the leg. And collect here, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and. Because you can focus on your hip action, which is a figure eight, or your rib cage movement, or your arm style, but that's all body parts. It's not include the whole body weight. So when you're focusing on the melting and the bone, muscle to bone movement, this will be a little bit more musical and you can feel your dance through it. And similarly, you can do in cha-cha-cha, you can go and cha, 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 and 2, and 3, and cha, 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 and 2, and direct your dance constantly towards the floor, towards your heel.